As of the end of the last hour, the total value of Bitcoin Cash on the market was $2,738,595.94. Its current value against the US dollar is 140.94, which is a 1.4% rise. With 315,232,395 trades in a 24-hour period, Bitcoin Cash BCH is usually ranked 26 in the digital currency market, which is important if you are a crypto investor. If you look at what the Bitcoin CASH price prediction for the end of 2023 is, you can figure out how much Bitcoin CASH will be worth in 2023. This is usually a big number, as Bitcoin CASH is usually a good investment or worth buying in 2023. Price prediction for Bitcoin BCH in July 2023. The price of Bitcoin Cash is expected to be around $111.05 on average, with a range between $114.23 ANA and $100.48. It is expected to be much less than $100. The price of Bitcoin Cash BCH in July 2023. The price of a Bitcoin Cash coin is expected to be $114.39 in July 2023, but it could go as high as $118.67 or as low as $109.10. As of July 25, 2023, the price of Bitcoin Cash in US dollars is $140.94. This is a 1.4% rise in value over the last 60 minutes. Bitcoin Cash prices can go as high as $123.25, and on average, they cost 117.82 cents, which is a big deal. In September 2023, Bitcoin Cash is expected to be worth $116.06, which is its most likely lowest price. Contrary to what most people think, the BCH price may reach a sort of peak of 127.96 cents in 2023, with an average exchange value of 121.35. The value of Bitcoin Cash BCH in October 2023. The Bitcoin Cash price is expected to be around 126.21. With a purchase and large limit of 132.81 and a lease limit of 121.98. This shows that as of July 25, 2023, Bitcoin Cash by and large is trading at 140.94 in terms of its own US dollar rate, with a value change of 1.4%. With a 24-hour trading volume of 315,232,395. Which is pretty normal, Bitcoin Cash finished its price analysis with a growth in its trading volume and market cap. The Bitcoin Cash's price has shown a fairly fair increase of 4.54 in the last 24 hours, which is pretty normal. In the last 7 days, the BCH had a great vertical pattern and went up by 34.53 $. Bitcoin Cash has shown strong areas for regulation. But if you compare Bitcoin Cash's current price to its price history over the past month, you can see that it has grown by 4.474%. This makes Bitcoin Cash BCH a great investment. In a really important way, the 90-day price difference is about $6.48, and the price has gone from an average of 125.38 to an average of 134.83 over the past 90 days. Bitcoin, the most well-known digital currency, is picking up speed as it finds strong support at $30,000. Recent ideas from industry experts make the future of Bitcoin very interesting. New angle: Arthur Hayes, who used to be the CEO of BitMEX, thinks that Bitcoin could become the main exchange for artificial intelligence, AI, because it has unique features and is similar to pure energy. Investors' re-evaluation of Federal Reserve predictions after the release of job data has also had an effect on the price of Bitcoin. In this Bitcoin price prediction, we look at what could happen to the digital asset and what factors affect its future. Bitcoin is probably going to become the most important tool for AI. In a recent blog post, Arthur Hayes, who used to be the CEO of the Bitcoin derivatives market BitMEX, says that Bitcoin is the best currency for AI. Hayes thinks that Bitcoin will be the chosen currency of the AIS because it is always available, it is digital, and it is run by computers. Blockchain-based systems have a lot of good points, but Bitcoin is the best choice because it is rare, can keep value, and is hard to control. By comparing Bitcoin to bullion and fiat cash, Hay shows that traditional currencies are limited and not very useful. Arthur Hayes compares BTC to pure energy in his most recent letter to show how unique the coin is. Hayes thinks back. Bitcoin, BTC, falls back below $30,000, but if these correlations hold, it should go up. Re-emerge. Bitcoin, BTC, the digital currency that runs the world's largest decentralized cryptographically secure network, fell about 1.5% on Tuesday to around $29,700. Earlier in the day, it briefly hit new one-month lows around $29,500. The cryptocurrency has been losing steam since it hit a new yearly high near $31,800 last week. At the time, it was helped by 1. Wall Street heavyweights filing for spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and 2. A U.S. judge's ruling on XRP that markets saw as crypto-bullish. In its most recent drop, BTC has fallen about 2.5% below its 21-day moving average. If the cryptocurrency loses support in the mid-$29,000 range between late June and early July, it is likely to drop to support in the mid-$28,000 range. Even though the technical picture for Bitcoin in the short term is not good, BTC could be helped by macro tailwinds. In fact, Bitcoin could be set up for a pump if a few of its typically strong correlations, like with the U.S. stock market and the U.S. dollar, return. If these correlations come back, the price of Bitcoin, BTC, should go up. In the last 3 or so years, Bitcoin has been strongly linked to the U.S. stock market in a good way. That could be because even though Bitcoin has become more popular in recent years, most buyers still saw it as a risk asset and traded it like stocks. Like the stock market, Bitcoin seemed to have a good relationship with more money being available. In fact, in 2020 and 2021, both Bitcoin and the stock market went up because of low interest rates and a lot of quantitative easing, QE, from the world's major central banks. In 2022, both Bitcoin and the stock market went down sharply because the world's major central banks were raising interest rates quickly because inflation was so high. The chart below, made by coinmetrics.com, shows that there has been a sharp drop in the connection since 2023. That could be because some people are starting to see Bitcoin more as its creators and biggest supporters have always wanted it to be seen, as a safe haven alternative.